going on, guys? This is going to be my first e-bike review on this channel, and let alone my first video ever. Because I just got this bike, I think I should review it. So this is a GOTRAX, or however you want to pronounce that. It's a decent sized bike, low to the ground. Here's the tires, disc brakes in the front and in the rear. There is only one headlight, single LED, front shocks, if you didn't see those, one motor by GOTRAX in there, another, disc brake, nice kickstand, rack on the back where you could put like other accessories. It does come with this and this nice seat. If you do unfold this, which I'm not going to because it's a pain in the butt to get back together. If you unfold it though, the battery is held in there. It is a 7-speed. Click this button to advance. Throttle is only this. It's not a full twist throttle. Come over here. There is working brake lights. If you turn off the headlights, those do also turn off, but the brake lights still work. It's pretty cool. So here's what the interface looks like. You have these buttons over here. It's a total of 5 buttons. Gear up goes all the way up to 5. Speed, sorry. Goes all the way up to 5. 5 being the fastest, 0 only being foot power. I like to keep it at 1 because it's a mix between the both. I could use my throttle and that, and yeah, both of these. Or I could just do straight throttle, which I will demonstrate right now. It does take off very quick, so you gotta be careful with that. If you hold down this down button, it puts it in walk mode, which just lets it walk. Go ahead, turn around. So very nice, all metal. These, however, are plastic. It's a really nice beginner e-bike. It is on sale currently. I will have the link in the description. You get this nice little bell. This top button right here changes your these things down here. But I like to keep it on trip because that's just like how I currently have it. This bottom button right here does your lights for the front and the back. Mode selectors again. And if you hold down this very bottom button for about 3 seconds, boom, turns off the display. Hold it down again, turns it back on. Down here, I do like this. I don't know what you would call it. I would say anti-theft. Most people will not. It's a little key. If you do not have this key inserted, the screen is off and no power is going in. If you do insert the key, I will get down here. Insert the key and then twist it till it is like parallel to this. Get back up. Now the screen is still black because you didn't have any power. Hold down the button, boom, back to normal. So yeah, this is pretty much it. GOTRAX e-bike. I will have a link in the description. A very, very fun to ride e-bike. I can go ahead and hop on for you guys real quick just to give like a final test drive. Here we go. Go ahead and put the kickstand up. I'm gonna probably just pedal, and one-handed is kind of hard for me, so yeah, I don't really have the best balance trying to do one hand. Trying to save up right now for a GoPro. Those are kind of expensive. If you'd like to donate, please leave a comment. If you like the video, also comment. You like the video, Jimmel? Please leave a like and subscribe, as this is my first video. I am really trying to get monetized. just a 16-year-old trying to make bike content. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.